350 horse factory air convertible. All numbers matching, fresh body off restoration. You won't find one any nicer. This car is absolutely a piece of jewelry. Sorry guys, it's only 20 degrees outside right now, so everything's a little cold out here. This one's fresh body off restored, 350 horse air. You won't find any nicer than this. Silver. Pretty car. Peak wheel. Everything works. Everything's brand new. Want to see anything else, give me a call. 814-285-1779. '66 silver convertible, fresh body off restored, 350 horse factory air, power steering, power brakes, and power windows. Silver though, you won't find one prettier than this car. It's just beautiful inside. Silver, 350 horse factory air. They don't get any better than that. This car is absolute jewelry. I mean, you will not find a nicer one. Everything's brand new, freshly done. Beautiful body, just a super nice car. If you have a Corvette like this for sale, give me a call. I'd like to buy it. 814-285-1779.